Hey there, beautiful people. It's Jenna, and welcome back to the channel where we talk all things fat loss, fitness, and feeling amazing in your body. If you've been trying to lose fat but the scale just won't budge, I hear you. Sometimes it's not what you are eating to be healthy, but what you shouldn't be eating that's slowing your progress. So today, we're diving into the top 10 foods you must avoid to burn fat. Number 10. White bread and refined grains. Let's kick things off with white bread. That innocent-looking sandwich bread is basically a blood sugar roller coaster. It's made from refined flour with almost all the fiber stripped away. This means it digests super fast, spikes your insulin levels, and tells your body to store fat, not burn it. Switch to whole grains, or even better. Try sprouted grain or cauliflower-based alternatives. Refined carbs like white pasta, white rice, and crackers work the same way. They give you a quick energy spike, but then you crash and feel hungry again in no time. Number 9. Fruit juice. Alright, this one surprises a lot of people. Fruit juice. Even 100% juice is loaded with sugar and contains almost none of the fiber that whole fruits do. That glass of orange juice can have the same sugar content as a soda. When you remove the fiber, your body digests it like straight sugar. That's a fat-storing signal to your hormones. If you love juice, try fresh fruit-infused water instead. You'll hydrate and still get that fruity vibe without the sugar bomb. Number 8. Flavored yogurts. Flavored yogurts might look healthy in the dairy aisle, but many are just dessert in disguise. A small cup can have up to 25 grams of sugar. That's 6 teaspoons in a healthy snack. Choose plain Greek yogurt instead and sweeten it naturally with cinnamon, berries, or a touch of honey. You'll get more protein, less sugar, and a stronger metabolism. Number 7. Granola and health bars. Don't let the marketing fool you. A lot of granola bars and health snacks are packed with sugar, artificial flavors, and processed grains. They're often just candy bars in activewear. Check the labels. If sugar is one of the first 3 ingredients, put it back. Make your own trail mix with nuts and seeds or opt for protein bars with clean ingredients and no added junk. Bonus tips. If you've been doing everything right, eating clean, working out, and still feeling stuck, I want you to know it's not your fault. Sometimes your body just needs the right support to start burning fat again. That's why I want to share something that's been a game changer for many. Midolin, a natural, science-backed supplement that's helping so many women finally break through the plateau and feel confident in their own skin again. I'll drop a link below if you want to check it out and take that next powerful step. Number 6. Diet sodas. 0 calories doesn't mean 0 problems. Diet sodas are loaded with artificial sweeteners that confuse your body. They trick your brain into expecting sugar, but there's none, so your cravings intensify. Studies show diet sodas may disrupt gut health and lead to more fat gain, not less. If you're craving fizz, go for sparkling water with a splash of lemon or a few berries. Number 5. Fried foods. We all love crispy fries or onion rings now and then, but fried foods are a double whammy for fat storage. They're high in calories and trans fats, which increase inflammation and mess with your metabolism. Even worse, trans fats may increase belly fat specifically, and that's the hardest kind to lose. Try air-fried alternatives or roast your veggies for that crunch without the crash. Number 4. Processed meats. These might be easy protein options, but processed meats come with a heavy cost. They're high in saturated fat, sodium, and preservatives like nitrates that promote inflammation. A fat loss killer. Too much processed meat can spike cortisol and insulin, both of which tell your body to store fat. Opt for grilled chicken, turkey breast, or plant-based protein alternatives instead. Number 3. Alcohol. Here's the truth. Alcohol is liquid fat loss sabotage. Your body sees it as a toxin and stops fat burning to metabolize the alcohol first. Everything else you ate, stored as fat. Beer and cocktails are especially bad because they're loaded with sugar or empty carbs. If you're serious about burning fat, limit your alcohol or avoid it entirely during your cut phase.
Number 2. Sugary breakfast cereals. You think you're starting the day right, but sugary cereals are a fat-storing trap. They spike blood sugar early in the morning, setting the stage for cravings and crashes all day long. Most of them are just colorful, crunchy sugar bombs, even the ones labeled whole grain or natural. Try oats with chia seeds and fruit, or eggs with avocado for a fat-burning breakfast. Number 1. Baked goods and pastries. And finally, the number 1 food to avoid if you want to burn fat baked goods and pastries. I'm talking donuts, muffins, croissants, and cakes. They're the perfect storm of sugar, fat, and refined flour. The trifecta of fat storage. These foods spike insulin like crazy and offer almost no nutrients. Your body stores that excess energy right around your waistline. If you want to treat yourself, try a low-carb, protein-packed mug cake or a piece of dark chocolate.
Avoiding these foods doesn't mean you're giving up joy. It means you're giving your body a chance to thrive. When you remove these fat-storing foods, your hormones stabilize, your cravings decrease, and your fat-burning potential skyrockets. Many people have seen amazing results just by adding middle into their diet. They've lost inches, boost metabolism, burn fat faster. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. I've got a ton more coming your way, including fat-burning recipes, real-life success stories, and quick home workouts. Let me know in the comments, which of these surprised you the most, and which one are you cutting starting today?